So many test cases still to automate. 4 of them are sitting in the pizzas folder, and you still have to write the automation for each one.
But we can make it more simple. Install QA Sphere CLI tool, and its Agentic skill can help creating automated test cases. Instead of opening each test case one by one, you just ask, automate test cases in pizzas folder. Remind AI to use QA Sphere CLI skill and let it do the job. The AI finds the test cases in the folder and uses what it knows about your project to automate them. Then you ask it to run the new tests and create a test run for them. Go back to QA Sphere and the run is already there, passed in seconds, with updated statuses and the attachments. Your test case is automated faster with QA Sphere and CLI Agentic skill.